how to duet on TikTok.
Do it with me. This is Lucky. G.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. Feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend.
Lucky to have been where I have been.
Lucky to be coming home again. If you want to do it on TikTok, here's the tutorial. Open TikTok app on your phone and tap search button at the top right and type song that you want to duet. For example, Lucky, Jason, Race, duet. And select a video that you want to duet with. For example, this video. And click on right arrow button at the top right and click on duet. And tap on record button. Do you hear me? I'm talking to you across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my baby, I'm trying. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Ooh. And click post. And that's the tutorial on how to duet on TikTok. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.